How to switch to TikTok Pro account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you switch or activate your TikTok Pro account. So let's get started. First you have to open TikTok application with your account. After you open TikTok, at the bottom right, tap on profile. From your profile section, if you want to switch to your Pro account, like you want to switch or activate your TikTok account as for your business purposes, for that, tap on the three line just at the top right. From the section, tap on settings and privacy. And from here, tap on account. From account, tap on the option switch to business account. From the section, tap on next. Again, tap on next. From the section, select a category that describes your account, so simply select any one of this category from here. After you select it, tap on next. Okay, from this section you can as usual provide your email address, like it will help you to connect with your customer directly, as you can also tap on skip. And from this section you can add your bio, or you can also directly skip this. Alright, as you can see we are all set now, and after we complete this process from here, we'll be able to visit our business suite account. So this is the easiest and simplest method to switch to your Pro account on TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.